Congratulations, you've managed to start your own WFOE company in China. And I guess you need certain tips or advice on how to keep your company operational in China. Today's video, we're going to talk about some basic tips to know or to do to keep your company operational in China. My name is Aaron from MyChinaplug. Before we get started, kindly please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any video we post. As I said earlier on, we're going to talk about how to keep your company operational in China after successfully getting your business license or your business permit. Number one on my list would be you need to keep your company address operational, or the office space that you use to register your company. You need to keep that address very active. It has to be operational, because at least it should be operational for a year and a plus. In that way, it helps you, it saves you from facing future problems with the government. It's always advisable that the address stated on your business license, it's always operational. It's very, very, very important. If you'd want to change, or if you if you have to relocate to a different address, it's always advisable to go through the due process or contact your agent, or if you did the process by yourselves, you contact the right government agency and you get your address changed. And number two on my list would be you should hire an accountant as soon as possible. It's pretty much advisable as soon as the business license is out, you hire an accountant. Or if you can't hire an in-house accountant, the best thing you do is find an accounting firm to do your bookkeeping for you. You need an accountant to start keeping your records, to start doing bookkeeping for you. It's very, very important in China that your bookkeeping, your transactions, whatever activities you get yourself involved with is recorded, because every quarterly or yearly or monthly, you might be required by the government to make submissions of the operations or how active you've been in China. Number three on my list would then be making sure you pay your taxes in due time, or you pay your taxes on time, because it gives you good credit as an enterprise or as a company. It also prevents you from being blacklisted. And when I'm talking about taxes, in this case, I mean corporate tax, value-added tax, VATs, which are declared, and personal income taxes and other taxes related to your operationals. There are some companies that have extra taxes that they need to pay, but make sure all those taxes are paid in time, and make sure that you keep a clean record, because in future, what happens is companies with good records find it easier to access loans here in China, even if it's a foreign company. And number four on my list would be do not get yourself involved in anything illegal, or don't operate businesses not enlisted on your business scope or your business license. Most people find themselves wanting because they end up registering company for certain purposes and they end up doing different things. So even before you get your license, as I said in all my previous videos, you should know the scope of business or what you want to get yourself involved with. So it is always advisable that please stick with what you said you got the license for, or what you said you'd be doing. Don't engage yourself in anything illegal in this country. I say this country, I mean China. And make sure you stick by your business scope, which would help avoid you being blacklisted or your business license being cancelled. So number five on my list, which would be the last, would be keep your company or your corporate bank account operational. Number three, earlier on my list, I spoke about taxes. So most taxes are being deducted automatically, mostly on the 10th or between the 10th to the 12th, if I'm so right, of every month. Those that need to be declared by the government. So those taxes that needs to be deducted or paid to the government are deducted automatically from your company account or your corporate account. And it's best to keep it active. Try avoiding doing certain transactions or certain businesses that might get yourself flagged or blacklisted, or your company account being cancelled or being blocked or being frozen. It's best to make sure your company account is operational, and you need to discuss those operational parts with your accountant or your accounting agency or the accounting firm that you've hired to do your bookkeeping for you. So thanks for watching this video. If you find it informative, as I always say, please subscribe to our channel. Once again, my name is Aaron from My China Plug. We are your 360 consulting partners in China.